Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow the general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Moon and World in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, in your work or in your relationship, you are having a lot of dreams and fantasies, and you are planning so much, planning your future, planning how things should go, and you have a lot of expectations in your life today, guys. And whatever expectations are, guys, in reality, right in front of you, you do not see a positive outcome. So the people around you, maybe, or your circumstance itself, something is really, there is no growth or change that you are seeing today. So you feel stuck in some ways, confused, and you don't know how to proceed in your life today. So some confusion or stress in your situation, guys, anxiety, how things will turn out for you. And maybe for some of you, you may have some intuition in certain situations. Maybe when you are making some important decisions, something is telling you what you should do or what should be the right choice. And maybe for some of you, you are feeling comfortable really thinking of your dreams and fantasies, imagining your life, but you are not making the efforts, guys, or something is holding you back from making the efforts necessary. So maybe for this love, for this relationship, you are simply dreaming, not making the efforts today. That may be the reason you are feeling stuck and there are no changes that are happening in your situation, guys. And also, certain things are not visible to you, guys. Maybe the truth about this person or about some circumstance in your work. So if you want a better clarity in your situation, Taurus, you need to wait, guys. You should not make any important decisions today. You need to wait for the right time in your life today, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, Taurus, with these thoughts. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card, guys. It is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this small lifetime, this is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation, you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.